Hello students, welcome to Future Dr. NEET Academy. Today I am going to give 7 problems in chemical kinetics chapter. Now let us see the first question in the chapter. The first question is, for the reaction N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3 if, NH3, differentiate, by, dt is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 4 mole per liter per second. The value of minus d by dt H2 would be dash. That is, so any rate of reaction is given means we should write the rate of reaction. So if we write the rate of reaction for all this, we can able to find out the unknown quantities. We can able to find out. See the option A, 4 into 10 power minus 4 mole per liter per second. Option B, 6 into 10 power minus 4 mole per liter per second. Option C, 1 into 10 power minus 4 mole per liter per second. Option D, 3 into 10 power minus 4 mole per liter per second. Okay, so you should know how to write the rate of reaction. Then only you can able to solve this sum. Next one, see the second question. For a reaction between A and B, the order with respect to A is 2 and order with respect to B is 3. The concentration of both A and B are double. The rate will be increased by a factor of dash. Okay, so option A 12, option B 16, option C 32, option D 10. Next one. See the third question. If the rate of the reaction is equal to rate constant, the order of reaction is dash. Okay, so option A 0, option B 1, option C 2, option D 3. Next question. Fourth one. The half-life period of a first order reaction is 1386 seconds. The specific rate constant of the reaction is dash. Okay, option A 0.5 into 10 power minus 2 per second. Option B 0.5 into 10 power minus 3 per second. Option C 5 into 10 power minus 2 per second. Option D 5 into 10 power minus 3 per second. Next one. Fifth one. The unit of rate constant of zero order reaction is dash. We have one formula for that unit. If you want to find the unit of rate constant, we have one formula. If you apply this formula, you can be able to find out very easily. Option A, mole per liter per second. Option B, liter per mole per second. Option C, liter square mole minus 2 per second. Option D per second. Next one. Sixth one. The rate constant of the reaction A gives B is 0.6 into 10 power minus 3 mole per liter per second. If the concentration of A is 5 molarity, then concentration of B after 20 minutes dash. That's the question. Option A is 3.60 molarity. Option B 0.36 molarity. Option C 0.72 molarity. Option D 1.08 molarity. See the last question. Seventh one. For the reaction A plus B gives product. Okay, it is observed that. Okay, first one is on doubling the initial concentration of A only, rate of reaction is also double. And on doubling the initial concentration of both A and B, there is a change by a factor of 8 in the rate of reaction. So the rate of reaction is we have to find out. Okay, both. Okay. So when you alter the concentration of the reactant, so the the rate also will be altered. So that only you have to find out. Okay. Option A, rate is equal to K into concentration of A into concentration of B power 2. Option B, rate is equal to K into concentration of A power 2 B power 2. Option C, rate is equal to K into concentration of A into concentration of B. Option D, rate is equal to K into concentration of A power 2 into concentration of B power. Okay, we have no power here, but we know here power is 1. Okay, so these are the 7 questions. The answers will be given in the next session. Okay, students, thank you.